Welcome to our channel Travel Through Time, Echoes of Antiquity. This is our 5th episode of our series Travel Through Time in Jordan. What do you know about Wadi Rum in Jordan? Does Wadi Rum have another name? What is Wadi Rum famous for? Today, we explore Wadi Rum, a breathtaking oasis in southern Jordan. This enchanting valley is also known as the Valley of the Moon and showcases stunning sandstone and granite rock formations. Wadi Rum is located near Aqaba and spans over 720 square kilometers. Elevated at 1,750 meters, it is Jordan's largest valley, with its unique name meaning Valley of Light, Airborne, Sand. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2011, Wadi Rum is recognized for its cultural significance and natural beauty. The valley's landscape features towering cliffs of Ishran sandstone, forming dramatic backdrops for a host of adrenaline-pumping activities. Tourists flock here to explore hiking, rock climbing, and guided tours, all while soaking in the area's rich history. Stepping back in time, Wadi Rum holds traces of ancient human civilizations. Prehistoric civilizations left behind petroglyphs, rock inscriptions, and ruins, adding depth to its historical narrative. The Nabateans, known for their architectural prowess, once thrived in this area, using it as a vital trade route. The Zalabay Bedouins, who inhabit Wadi Rum today, bring a vibrant cultural traditions alive through their lifestyle. Living in traditional goat hair tents, they share their deep-rooted customs and connection to the land. Their favorite animal, the camel, symbolizes pride and is central to their heritage, often seen in thrilling camel races. Wadi Rum's climate is classified as desert, experiencing scarce rainfall primarily through thunderstorms. Visitors should remember to prepare for fluctuating temperatures and the vast beauty of the desert. Fascinating geological formations within the valley include mountain peaks, canyons, and majestic sand dunes, making it a photographer's paradise. As we journey through Wadi Rum, we cannot ignore its cinematic allure. The valley has served as a stunning backdrop for many popular films, including Lawrence of Arabia, The Martian, and Dune. These movies showcase Wadi Rum's unique landscapes, drawing filmmakers and adventurers alike. Today, over 162,000 tourists visit Wadi Rum annually. Local Bedouins host overnight stays in traditional camps, providing immersive experiences for travelers. You can enjoy activities like 4x4 tours, camel rides, and desert dining under the stars. We hope this exploration of Wadi Rum has deepened your appreciation for Jordan's cultural and natural treasures. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you want to see in future episodes? Invite your friends who share an interest in travel and history. Don't miss our other episodes in this series. Join us next time as we dive deeper into the wonders of Jordan. Thank you for traveling through time with us.